Aloha everybody, how's it? Happy New Year everybody, 2021. This is my first video for 2021 and I just wanted to share with you folks Twitch and show you folks how to sign up and stuff. Don't go anywhere, come on, no, this is really cool and I'll tell you why. So I'm going to show you guys how to sign up and everything. First, I want you to use your favorite web browser, or you can download this on your smartphone. You go to Twitch, and type in Twitch and you can find it. But we're going to show you on your favorite web browser on your computer how to sign up. So at the top there, you're going to put twitch.tv, enter. Okay, then we're going to go to the right there where the purple button is, and we're going to select sign up. Okay, and then we're going to click on the username slot, and we're going to think of whatever username that you can think of that's a cool name that you want to represent you. If it's already been taken, it won't accept it, so just try. And then you gotta put in a password, and the password has to be long enough and it has to be strong enough by Twitch's standards. So it'll tell you if it's not good or not. If it's red like that, it's not going to accept it. Add some more stuff in there, some numbers maybe. And once it says weak, you got a password you can use. Now you want to make sure you type in the confirmation password. It's got to be the same, yeah? So, okay, now you got to put your birth date. I'm going to put a fake birth date. And then you have to put a valid email address in there. That email is going to, they're going to send you an email to verify that is a current email that you have. And then you look at the email and you're going to have a confirmation code in there. You need to enter that confirmation code. It's a verification code, sorry. You got to enter it into this window here. And once you do that, then it's verified, and it'll tell you that it's verified and thank you. Now you're going to go to the first screen. It says welcome to the party, and it'll show your screen name, your username. You want to select one of these choices here. Twitch is like a gaming platform before, but now other people use it, like musicians and stuff. You could click on music if you want, or I'm going to show you some people you should add in there. We're going to click on the top there and do a search. We're going to search for Andy Bumatai, and there's how you spell his name. You're going to click on his name, on his picture, and when there's a heart there, then you selected him. We're adding these people to your following list. Next one is the compliments. So you're going to type that in, and there's how you spell the compliments. And then you do the same thing. You click on their picture and on the heart. Then you're going to type in the songery and do the same thing. You click on the songery. And then we're going to go to OG Sumo Vibe. And we're going to do the same thing. That's how you spell. And then we're going to go to MissyAlcazar's music. And that's how you spell her name. And then you're going to click on her. So every time you see the heart, remember that means you're following that person. We're just creating a list for you to start out with. Then you're going to type in Poppy Tunes. You click on Poppy Tunes. And then we're going to go to MikeBass music. Click on Mike. And then we're going to do only in Japan, and click on only in Japan. So let's talk about Andy Bumatai a little bit. So Andy does a Twitch talk show every morning at 6 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And this is the reason why a lot of us came to Twitch. We were following Andy Bumatai on YouTube, and we wanted to continue watching his show. And he was very adamant about going to Twitch, so we decided, okay, we're gonna sign up for it and go check it out. And we did. We were very reluctant at first, but we're so glad we did because we love it now. The way you can connect with Andy or any other artist or any other streamer, you can chat with them. You can show them appreciation by giving them tips which are called biddies or bits in Twitch. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to set the avatar picture. So first go to the top right there where you see that circle of a person. It's a kind of turquoise button. Click on that, and that little window comes down. You're going to go down and select settings, and immediately at the top there you're going to see add profile picture. You're going to click on that, and then now you got to select wherever your pictures are at, whatever picture you want to use. Mine is in a folder called screenshots that I'm going to use, but you know, you might have it in your picture file, it might be on your desktop. You just have to, you know, change where you're looking for that. Now where you come to this screen where it says update profile picture, you can zoom in or zoom out, and then you're going to click save when you're happy with it. All right, and that is the profile picture there. The picture that you're selecting has to be a JPEG, a PNG, or a GIF file, and it cannot exceed 10 megabytes. I'll let you guys figure out how to set the rest of the stuff. This is the most important thing, so you can be identified in the chat when you are watching and supporting other people you're watching. So now we're going to show you how to add on. Once you set everything up, and we're going to show you how to search for somebody. And this is how you're going to find somebody. You click in the window up there. In the search bar, you're going to type in the name of the person you're looking for. So let's look for PhotoLukeHawaii. Let's type that in. And then when you see PhotoLukeHawaii, so you would click on the purple button, and once you click on that, the follow bar goes away, and now you're following them. If you click on it again, it's breaking the follow. You saw that red. So let's go back to our page and go to bubble there on the right side again, the little one, and you're going to go down to channel. You always go back, do that so you can go back to your channel if you are, you know, doing anything. One thing, you cannot follow yourself, so you might see the follow button there, but if you click on it, it'll tell you can't follow that person, which is because it's yourself. Okay, so on the left side there, you'll see your followed channels, and those channels are people that you added to that follow list, which we started out the channel with. Plus you added PhotoLukeHawaii on there, so that's what that's for, follow channels. And if you don't see them all, you can click on show more right below that, and then underneath that you have recommended channels. So I'll go in order. So every morning I may start out with OG Sumo Vibes, and this is like 5:45 in the morning Hawaii Standard Time. We'll check out OG Sumo Vibes by clicking on him. If they're live, it'll be colored. If it's not live, it's black and white. So we're checking out OG Sumo Vibes now, and he's not live right now as I'm showing this, but you can click on his videos and then it'll show you the list of his videos. Then you can click on the video and watch whatever you want if you want to rewatch something that's not live. There on the right side you can see the chat. That would be the chat window, and if this was live, you would see a little bar at the bottom of that chat, so where you could type in that bar, or next to that bar is also would be a diamond shaped thing, and that is for you to donate to the streamer, giving him a donation to a tip by bits, and you'd have to buy that, and I'll explain that to you a little later. After OG Sumo Vibes, he usually goes and raids Andy in the morning, which means he's bringing all his people over to Andy Bumatai's channel, which is Daily Pigeon Live. And talking about Andy a little bit, Andy Bumatai is a Hawaii comedian, an actor, and a talk show host. So we watch him because he speaks a little Pigeon, and you know, he's funny. He doesn't do the comedy so much anymore, but he's still funny, like naturally. And you know, you get that sense of ohana and that local Hawaii vibe there, and that's why we all kind of hang out with Andy let's go check out the compliments now. So after Andy usually rates the compliments maybe, or he could go back to OG Sumo vibes. But anyways, here's the compliments. And the compliments is Greg and Alicia, and they do a duet kind of show. Greg usually starts out really early in the morning, sometimes actually before OG Sumo vibes, but we usually get here a little later after Andy's show. And there you'll see Greg and Alicia. He's usually playing the keyboard or guitar. He has several keyboards actually there. He can be playing multiple ones. Alicia's over there singing, and she plays that little squeaky thing sometimes too. But yeah, it's awesome. You can connect with these people, talk to them, give them tips. Yeah, by bits, by giving them biddies. That's what we call it. And you subscribe to these channels if you want to, if you really enjoy them. You can also gift sub people, which means you're supporting that creator also, but you're also giving a gift to one of your fellow people in the chat. So it's kind of cool. Let's go check out Songwriting now, because after Greg and Alicia, Songwriting is usually on sometime. And so this is Ali, and she's the Songwriting. She plays ukulele, she plays cello, she plays the piano. A lot of these people also have music on iTunes you can buy if you want to. But Ali also has a music video like on YouTube. A lot of these people are on YouTube also. Yeah, you can look at about them, and it'll have links to their stuff. And here's Ali's video. This is one of her videos that she has out, and it's kind of cool, these being able to connect with these people. And Ali's super mellow, so if you want to go hang out with a mellow person, sometimes she plays games on there also, Hangman. Or let's go check out MissyAlcazar. This person is super high energy, super fun to hang out with and listen to. The vibe there is really good too, but it's kind of adultish too, so I wouldn't listen to her around kids. Not the adultish as in swearing, just adultish as in content, like what she's singing about. She is a dueling pianist, so she plays keyboard, and she's singing all the time, and she's throwing funny things in there. It's just funny anyways. So if you want somebody high energy and stuff, you can go hang out with MissyAlcazar. I also think you should check out MikeBass. He's cool. He sings in Japanese also. He used to live in Japan, so he's a really cool guy. Just met him recently. And then this is Poppy Tunes. She's really cool. A lot of these people are so awesome. They do like cover songs. Some of them have their own music that they sing. Yeah, it's awesome. Here is Only in Japan. Check out John Daba, Only in Japan. He hasn't been doing stuff on Twitch, but he said he's going to, so that's why I said it's important to put him down there for anybody who loves Japan or who likes John Dab. So let's talk about how you can show appreciation to these people. And I have to pick somebody that I haven't been to before. So this is Kat McDowell, who I don't know. And so when you click on a person's chat thing for the first time, there's rules that pop up usually, and you have to click OK, that you understand the rules. So if you want to cheer, you're gonna type in the cheer box cheer, and the amount you want to cheer. It can be 1 or 100 or 1,000 or whatever increment you want. Also, so you can see the diamond thing would be the basic cheer thing. So also you can click on that cheer symbol, and then you can choose one of the cheer emotes there. If you click on it, it'll show you that emote, and then the options are how much you want to, it's already a set amount, 1, 100, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. All of this costs money though, just so you know. So you can choose, whichever type of emote that you want. And if you don't care, then you just type in cheer and the amount that you want to give them. And we'll talk about how to buy your bits in a little bit. So following is free, subscribing costs money. And following is like the same thing as subscribing on YouTube, where it doesn't cost you anything and you can still follow them and you get notifications. So here's how you buy bits. So to buy bits, you can click on the bit button there that brings up the emotes, and there's an option for you to buy bits. So here's the increments that you can buy it at. I'm usually buying the $7 for 500 bits or the $19.95 for 1500 bits. So if you think about it, 100 bits is about $1.40 that you're tipping somebody, and that's actually a normal tip, 100 bits. So the ways you can support one of these streamers is you can follow them. Following them means, you know, you're not paying anything, but you're getting notifications when they go live. But let's talk about subscribing. So when you subscribe to somebody, it costs $4.99, and that's per month. So it's a reoccurring bill. If somebody gives you a subscription, it ends after a month, and so it's up to you whether you want to continue it or not. So you want to find out about your subscriptions you have, you go to your profile icon and then you go down and you go to subscriptions. The only one that I've had right now is Daily Pigeon Live, but I was gifted to the Songwriting, the compliments, and these other people also. Let's look at OG Sumo Vibe. So I was gifted to OG Sumo Vibe, but I want to continue it. So I'm going to click on him and it tells me how many more days I have. I want to continue to subscribe to him. So I'm going to click on continue sub and then renew monthly. And that'll continue me subscribing. I use PayPal to pay for all these things. But you can just go through your credit card also. That's totally fine. So then you're going to click on complete purchase at the bottom right there, and that will complete your transaction for renewing. After you do that, so now it shows you by subscribing to this channel, you get these badge, which will go next to your name when you are in the chat, and emotes. So it's kind of cool to always go to other people's channel, hang out for a while. You never know, you might get a gift sub. It's always good to thank the person, and it does tell you on there who gifted you that sub. So if you don't realize that that person gave you a sub, you can always whisper to them, which is at the very top. There's a little window next to the get bits sign on the top there, next to your profile button. And you would type in the exact name that you see there, and it will pull their name up, and then you can write a personal note to them that says, hey, thanks for the subscription. I didn't notice you did that before, but you know. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to tell you guys about Twitch and how fun and cool it is, and you can connect with these entertainers on here. Also, it's a way to support them. You know, during COVID, a lot of these entertainers have lost their way of making money by performing out there in whatever way that they perform, in the places that they play live at or whatever. So this is a really great way to show your aloha to them and be supportive of them. And you'll find people that you're like, wow, this is cool. I love this. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification. Don't forget to follow PhotoLukeHawaii on Twitch. Also put that in because I'm on there. I just haven't posted any videos yet, and you'll see it. If you follow me, you'll get a notification when I'm going to. Also, if you want to help us out a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon, or you can contribute to us using our PayPal link down here. All right, we really appreciate all of you, and we're so excited for this 2021 year. Things will be better. I really feel like it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Aloha. Twitch, don't forget to sign up on Twitch. Twitch. I can watch Twitch on here and here. I can watch several shows if I want to, all at the same time.